Hey, what's up guys? Joker here. Today we are just going to be doing a quick video because I wanted to share with you how you can actually play Sea of Thieves right now for free on the PC. This actually would work on the Xbox One as well for this game, as it is an exclusive to the Xbox One as well as the PC. But if you remember a couple of weeks back, or maybe about a month or so ago, we had discussed how this was going to be the first major AAA title that was going to be coming to the Xbox Live Game Pass, which is their sort of Netflix-like subscription service, which is about $10 a month, and any of the games that they have on there, you can play right away. And most of those games are going to be exclusive to the Xbox, but since Sea of Thieves happens to be an Xbox Live Play Anywhere title, you can actually play it on the PC as well using the Xbox Live Game Pass. And they actually have a 14-day free trial right now, and I just want to get it out there that this is not a sponsored video by Microsoft at all, but it was how I was able to access the game to try it out to see if I like it, and I just wanted to share this information along with you guys. So this is a 14-day trial for the Xbox Live Game Pass, so at the end of it, if you don't want to, get renewed for an extra $10 a month for the service, then you just have to go through and cancel it through the Microsoft website or the Microsoft Store, what have you. You just basically have to cancel it after that, but 14 days is a decent amount of time that you could actually get on this game. You might even get tired of it within 2 weeks, and you might not want to keep it. You might want to go out and buy it at full price for $60. Really, you got the options there, but for 2 weeks, you can get a good amount of time into this game and decide if it's something that you like. So let's not waste any more time. We're going to go on to the Windows desktop right now. I've already done this on my main system, but right now I'm on my Threadripper production system that I've been working on recently. I'm going to be covering that in a video very soon on the channel. And you basically just want to start off by opening up the Microsoft Store, which you can do just by hitting the Windows key and typing Store, and that'll go ahead and pop it up. And as you can see right here, they have Sea of Thieves, which is free with the Game Pass. So to get the Game Pass, the 14-day trial, you just want to start by typing in Game Pass in the top, or maybe with a space. There you go. Xbox Game Pass. So that's what you're looking for, is the Xbox Game Pass, and you can see right here they have a 14-day free trial for this, or you can get it for $10 a month, although your titles are going to be extremely limited if you're on just the PC and not the console as well. So you're probably going to want to go with the free trial on this, and if at the end of that you want to keep the game, then you could buy it, or you could pay $10 a month depending on how long you think you might be able to enjoy it for. But yeah, here you go, free trial. Click join, and then it will go ahead and bring up a prompt window where you have to sign in through your Microsoft account yet again. So I'll go ahead and do that right here. So once you've signed in through your account and everything, it's going to let you know that it is $10 for the program after you get done with the 14-day free trial. But as I said, just go ahead and cancel it towards the end of that so that you do not get billed yet again. I have my PayPal account saved on here, but you can have your bank account or whatever, your credit card on here. But you do have to have some type of payment information stored with your Microsoft account so that if it does renew, that they can actually charge you for it. But as I said, I'm using my PayPal here, so I'll go ahead and click on subscribe. And that is all you need to do to get the Xbox Game Pass activated. And actually right here on the Game Pass, you can see the titles that are available on it, and Sea of Thieves is the first one listed, or if it's not doesn't happen to show up for you, you can just search up here for Sea of Thieves, and it should show up for us. There you go, Sea of Thieves game, click on that, and once you have the Game Pass and everything, since it's an Xbox Play Anywhere title, you can go ahead and install it on your PC and get started. Just pick whichever drive you want to install it on, and you are pretty much good to go with Sea of Thieves, and you can go ahead and start playing it. Now, there's a lot of information out there. You'll be able to find videos on this game if you haven't played it yet or you're interested in what it's all about. But basically, it's a co-op driven pirate sort of RPG type of game. You can play solo if you want to. I kind of enjoyed the just actually manning the ship. I thought that was quite fun, as when you're actually getting on the ship, you have to do things like man the sails, raise and lower the anchor, and all of that. So I found it quite fun actually to get out there and do that kind of stuff. So it's going to, be your choice whether or not you like the game or not, but that's kind of the beauty of this, and that's why I wanted to share this video with you, is because you could try it for 2 weeks. If you hate it, you can uninstall it, cancel the Game Pass, never use it again, throw it away, get it off your system, whatever you want to do. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below if you're going to be picking up Sea of Thieves, if you're going to try out the trial, if you've played the game already, maybe in one of the previous betas, and what you thought of it, so other people can get an idea down in the comments, how the game actually is. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here, guys. And also, if you guys are interested in seeing a performance video on Sea of Thieves, let me know that down below as well, and I'll try to do a PC performance review on the channel here in the coming days. But as I said, I'm going to go. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on it and subscribe if you're not already. And I will catch you guys next time. Sir?